Hello friends, welcome to learn CorelDRAW. Today we are going to draw some fruit shapes. Let us begin. First, click on pen tool. Click the first point, don't drag the cursor, just click the point and go to the upper side and then click, as we have to create a shape of half circle, and close at the same point where you are begin. Okay, now click on the shape tool, select the whole shape with the help of shape tool, right click here and click on to curve. Now we don't want this unnecessary nodes, then you can delete the node by simply double click it, or you can select the nodes with the help of shape tool and double click. Okay, now our shape is ready. Let us zoom it. Here we want to create a watermelon. Then click on here on the green color, go to the pick tool, copy paste this shape, copy and paste, Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and then click on the red color, go to the shape tool, click on this node, and with the help of this handler let us adjust the shape. Then let us create shades. For that, create the simple oval shape, small oval shape, fill it with color, and then just with the help of pick tool put it over here. You can also rotate it if you want, and click copy and paste. You can also use Ctrl D for the duplicate. Just arrange these shades over this shape. Ctrl D. Okay, if you want to remove outline from this shape, then you can simply click here. Either you can choose here outline as a none, or one more thing is click here, and if you want to shape as it is, then right click on the same color, then the color of outline and the color of shape is same. Like this you can simply create a watermelon. Then after finishing this shape, select all objects with the help of pick tool from the uppermost right corner and press the Ctrl G for group. Now this shape is grouped. Okay.